Hello everyone. My name is Mannan. I am so excited to share my experience with the data driven success and our trainer Abdul Muqid sir, who is an excellent data coach and consultant. Actually, before joining this course, I had only know the basic computer knowledge. I was not confident in Excel and no understanding of data tools and Power BI. Actually, I wanted to improve my skills, but don't know where to begin. Okay, after joining this class, is everything become step by step and clear. Sir explained a topic very simple and very friendly way, and it is very easy for beginner to understand. Okay, this course has greatly improved my confidence and computer skill. Now I can handle assignments, projects, and data related tasks much more effectively. I feel better prepared for my academics journey. Abdul Muqeed sir wants students to grow and succeed. Okay, I strongly recommend data driven success to school students and college students and working professional as well who wants to improve computer skills and data side. If you are looking to practical learning, as per my experience, this is the right place. Okay, thank you for providing time.